Welcome back, everybody. I wanted to share a Valentine's Day with you and let you know what I did to stay low carb. My husband surprised me with his beautiful bouquet and this lovely card this morning. And so I had some cards ready for the boys at their table before breakfast. Those are the ones that I made on Arts and Crafts Friday, if you want to see that video. And I got them a pile of goodies here from me and my hubby, just to tell them, hey, we love you guys. And so that's my middle child's pile, and this goes to the eldest. And our eldest, that's 35 years old. He doesn't live here anymore, but I usually send him chocolate strawberries, special delivery. And this is a little pile of goodies that I left on my husband's favorite chair. He's always been a big fan of Batman, so I filled this up with beef jerky and took out the candy. This was always his favorite Quest cookies, so I got him that. I did get him some treats in a little bag and also a card for him as well. And for the boys, for breakfast, I made Hungry Girls rockin' red velvet pancakes. And I believe that might be in my breakfast playlist. Really, really good. I had a low-carb mug muffin with some cactus that has burger in it, bacon and eggs. And then I took the boys to Chili's for a hamburger, and I had a burger, just the burger and cheese on a bed of salad, a little ranch on it, and I brought my own pork rinds so I wouldn't be tempted to eat the French fries. So I stayed low carb. Then we stopped at a keto bakery on the way home and bought some keto treats. So those are red velvet cupcakes, and those are fudge cookies that some of the kids picked out. So at home, my husband made me an unsweetened almond milk latte.
Hi guys, it is Saturday. It is the day after Valentine's Day, and I hope that you had a wonderful Valentine's Day. We had a great one. One thing I noticed after I ate that low carb, but that cupcake was, I woke up this morning, early in the morning, with my arthritis. It hasn't bothered me in a while, but all of a sudden it just like flared up, and it feels like it's burning just all of the bones in my hand, and that hasn't happened in a while, so I feel a little inflamed. And it might be because, even though I took a Lactaid when I ate it, because I knew that there's cream and butter on top of that cupcake. It was good. It made me really queasy though, because there was a lot of fat. It is a keto bakery, so the fat content's going to be pretty high. And I knew there was dairy, and I thought the Lactaid would help, but I think maybe it's just a reaction to that. I ended the day with 1 cup of almond milk, unsweetened, and 1 cup of Boom Chicka Pop. And Boom Chicka Pop is not, I know, low carb. Okay, but the reason why I have I'll either have like a cup of that Boom Chicka Pop or a like chocolate rice cake right before, about an hour before bed. And the reason why is because even if I'm doing mostly like, well, all low carb really, I take progesterone, 200 milligrams of it every night. And one thing that I've noticed is that it makes me very sleepy and very relaxed, so that I can go right into a deep sleep. And so I really love it for that, because it's worked great. But I've noticed if I don't have a little bit of carb with it, it doesn't work that way. It just, I can't feel sleepy, and it's hard for me to go to bed and relax. And so, but if I take it with carbs, it works like a charm. So I will save a little bit of carb. I don't want to overdo it, but for bedtime, and then that helps a lot. Anyway, just wanted to update you on Valentine's Day. I hope you had a great one. And I managed to not eat like candy and cake and things that I've had in the past, so I am glad for that. But I think it's going to be quite a while till I go back to the keto bakery, even though it's wonderful and they have great options for people who are diabetic and everything. I think that it's just really, really rich for me. My version of low carb really can't be that fatty. Being without a gallbladder, it's just really hard to process super high fat. So it's better for me to go low carb than keto, I find. So anyway, that's that. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.